my name is Cannon, and this is my first video, and I'm just so excited, and I hope I succeed in YouTube. So this is my first channel, and this is my first video ever. So let's play Subway Surfers. I'll talk later. Make sure to like the video and subscribe and post notifications on. Thanks. Hey guys, I'm back for having a 5-minute talking break. Probably I do not know how long my talking break was. Yeah, my bad. Oh god! Yes, I think to die. Sorry, I don't know, I need a quest complete. 11,000 coins, let's see my prize. And, are you serious? I just hate ads. Okay. So. Wait one more. I'm so excited to have fans, a YouTube channel. Just so exciting, and it's a dream come true. I've been trying so hard to make my own YouTube channels, but kept on getting deleted. So I hope you don't delete this channel. Pick up 100 coins in one run. That's the easiest thing in my life, wasn't it? Did that on purpose? But this is actually so fun. Guys, I don't know if commenting works. So if you want me to play or try any other games, if commenting works, can you please comment that game? Let's get on with the video. Yikes. Okay, great. I was really good at this game. Yesterday I went out for dinner and there were iPads and Subway Surfers was on the iPad. So I decided to play it, and there were vending machines, and I won something. I won a koala. My brother won Hello Kitty and Mummy Pig. Really cool. See what there is. Oh, something. Oh. Okay, let's see my score. Sometimes I might speak in a low voice. I just don't know why. 1,000 coins. And I hate ads, guys. Just like skipping ads. On my thing. Mission. Well, achievements. Collect the wood. No, my parade. Oh wait. Me. Guys, the video will end now, and I'm out. Sorry, I turned my microphone off.